Hey guys, yeah, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how to make your fish roll. This is an updated version, so stay tuned, relax and enjoy this video. Ta-ra! Now to begin, we are going to be preparing our dough. We'll go on and add all our dry ingredients. We add 3 cups of flour, we add milk flavor, then add salt, mix all together. After that, add your yeast, whisk it again. Add your powdered milk, mix again. Add your butter, mix it very well again. This is an updated version, not like your regular fish roll. So we are going to be using sardine. So add the sardine oil to the dough. You can use fresh fish of any kind. So now add 1/2 cups of water, then mix to combine until it forms a dough. They are going to have a very thick dough. After forming your dough, knead the dough for like 2 minutes and set it aside. Allow it to rest for 2 minutes. Then after that, go ahead and prepare your sauce, your fish roll sauce or fish roll filling. Start by grating your carrots with a grater. Once that is done, cut your cabbage. You can use green beans. If you don't have green beans, you can use cabbage. Cut your cabbage, set it aside. Also, dice your onions and set it aside. Once that is done, place a pot or a frying pan on a fire. Add a little oil. First add your onions, add your salt and your seasoning cube, then stir it a bit. Add your sardine. If you are using a fresh fish, first of all fry your fresh fish and set it aside before frying the main sauce. Once that is done, add your veggies and stir it and allow it for 2 to 3 seconds. Do not overcook your veggies. Our fish roll sauce is ready. Now go over to your dough. It's time to add the filling to the dough. Sprinkle some flour and do what? Use a rolling pin and roll it out. Spread it out. We are going to be making two different shapes of fish roll. All we need to do is to divide this dough into two. Then use half and make one shape, and use the remaining half and make another type of shape. Spread it very well. Then add your filling and fold it gently. After adding your filling, use a brush. After adding your filling, rub some water on the edge and fold it in. This water is going to be serving as a binder, as a gum, or as a binder. So this is the first shape. So we are going to be making the one you know, the one you are familiar with. So roll it out very well. You're going to be cutting it as if you are cutting a pizza. Cut it in pizza form. You're going to be cutting it in pizza form. Once that is done, add your filling, rub it water and fold it back. So as I'm dropping this recipe, try and follow it up, practicalize it, and see if you can get it. That is the only way you can learn it. As I'm dropping the recipe, go and do your own and send it for supervision. frying time, you're going to be adding enough oil because it's going to be a deep frying, not a shallow frying. So it's going to be enough oil. So once it's heated, start frying it. Not like donuts that you will fry on a low heat. No, this one requires a high heat. Fry it until golden brown. Look at that beauty. Very soft and yummy. So I want you to try it out. Try it out and let's see if you can get it. It's very simple. Of course you can get it. Okay? That is the only way you can learn. As I'm dropping my recipe, you are trying it out.